How to get power-ups Bingo Blitz. Every time you play a bingo round, you can earn power-ups automatically just by playing. The more cards you play, the more chances you have to earn extra power-ups during the game. Open Bingo Blitz every day to claim your daily login rewards. Tap the bonus wheel or other spin features in the lobby. Power-ups are common rewards on the daily wheels. Completing games and leveling up cities also gives you rewards. These often include random power-ups like instant win, double XP, laser square, coin square. You can also go to the in-game store and tap on power-ups. You can buy bundles using bingo credits or real money. And that's how you can get power-ups on Bingo Blitz. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.